Hello, Julie.
Julie.
Is this the
This
camera?
is Julie at 3 months and 2 days old. She's just staring at the camera, aren't you? Yes, you are.
Tell us something.
Are you saying hello? Are you talking to her? Hello? Hello?
Can you smile? Can you smile for Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. Smile.
Or blow bubbles?
Yeah.
Can you blow bubbles? Although we don't. But for the camera, it's good.
Can you blow bubbles for Daddy? Any bubbles? Any bubbles? Come on. Let's see some bubbles.
Yeah, can you do that? Can you blow some bubbles for us?
Yeah, there you go. Good girl. Good girl.
Julie.